This powerful waterfall looks familiar to many from the film Prometheus. Dettifoss, an amazing waterfall located in northeast of Iceland, originates from the Vatnajökull glacier. With an average flow of 193 meter cube per second, it is the most powerful waterfall in Europe. Although rainfalls in Switzerland could be rated the most powerful in summer. Along with its flow, and with a drop of 44 meters and width of 100 meters, Dettifoss drenches its visitors with its splashes. It can be accessed from east and west sides with two different routes. Visitors can enjoy sunset view of waterfall from the east and the power of the waterfall from the west.